Ramesh Kalampuli, the Raigad District Secretary from Bharatiya Janata Party and Secretary of Hindu Seva Samiti in Maharashtra, has been a frontline crusader in Kalamboli area in extending a helping hand to the needy people. Ramesh, through his endeavor, has been extending his help in providing them with basic essential items such as rice, dal, oil, biscuits, and other grocery items. He has been helping everyone, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, community, or political affinities during this critical juncture of lockdown. Ramesh, resourceful and passionate social worker, politician, cultural activist, and also one of the noble persons who extended his help to residents of Kerala when the state was ravaged by floods. He coordinated in arranging food articles, utensils, bed sheets, medicine, and so on to be shipped to flood hit areas in Kerala. He also helped relatives for arranging the needful to send dead bodies to the respective natives in Kerala for crematorium or burial. Many volunteers and non-profit organizations are working for helping the people of Mumbai in the lockdown to contain the spread of COVID-19. However, Ramesh's effort in rendering help to the distressed in Navi Mumbai at any point of time during the lockdown has been commendable. Ramesh is very much active during the current lockdown. His work has taken shape of relief activities. Ramesh believes to serve people without discrimination, as all who need help are our own. It is our duty to help in this time of crisis, Ramesh said. Ramesh also asked all his members of the Hindu Seva Samiti that they should continue to help the poor, needy, and financially weaker sections. Ramesh also speaking about the government initiative which is being implemented. Due to lockdown, Malayalis, those who are stuck up in different states of India, COVID-19 Jagrata, a comprehensive solution for real-time surveillance, care, and support for people affected or quarantined by COVID-19. This portal is a one-stop platform for the public to avail emergency services and information related to COVID-19 and ensure transparency and quality in public services and welfare measures. The government of Kerala has taken an initiative on 3/5/2020 evening at 5 o'clock through the portal COVID-19 jagrata.nic.in in the name of NORCA. People will get registered number. Through that registered number, they can contact district collectors to avail the passes. Pregnant women, patients, those who want to avail treatment from Kerala, those who are already stuck up with family, interview, sports, tourism, pilgrim, and other social associations, those who have traveled to different states temporarily, and students will be considered on priority basis. Only after availing the passes, the passengers will be permitted to travel to Kerala. This is Prakash Nair, Bureau Chief, Media Eye News, Mumbai.